Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Did you know you can use your AirPods as a remote camera shutter for your iPhone? That means you can take photos or start recording videos without touching your iPhone. Perfect for group photos, selfies, content creation, and hands-free recording. In this video, I will show you how to use AirPods as a camera remote, plus a few extra tricks you should know. But before that, here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. Step number one, connect your AirPods. Step two, use AirPods as a camera remote. Step three, try more camera tricks. Step four, tips for better results. Let's break it down step by step. At step number one, connect your AirPods. First, make sure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone. Open the Settings app. Tap the Bluetooth. Confirm that your AirPods show connected. If they aren't connected yet, place them in pairing mode and connect them before continuing. Now, step number two, use AirPods as a camera remote. Now open the camera app. Position your iPhone where you'd like to take the photo or record your video. Once everything is ready, press and hold the stem of your AirPods to take a photo. If you are recording a video, press and hold again to stop that recording. This lets you capture photos and videos without needing to touch your iPhone, making it perfect when your phone is on a tripod or placed across the room. Step number three, try more camera tricks. Here are a few ways to make the most of this feature. Use it for group photos without rushing to beat the timer, recording hands-free videos for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, taking selfies from a distance, capturing family photos without asking someone else to hold your phone. Combining your AirPods with a tripod can make your recordings look much more professional. Step number four, tips for better results. Before taking your shot, tap the screen to focus on your subject. If you are taking a photo outdoors, make sure there's enough lighting for the best image quality. Also, keep your AirPods within Bluetooth range of your iPhone so the remote controls respond reliably. And that's it. And for disclaimer purpose, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Features, menu names, supported AirPods models, and availability may vary depending on your iPhone model, AirPods model, region, and iOS version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Apple. Please use these features at your own discretion. And that is how to use AirPods as a camera remote on your iPhone. It is a simple feature that makes taking photos and recording videos much more convenient, especially when you are creating content or capturing memories with friends and family. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more iPhone tips, AirPod tutorials, and the latest iOS features. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.